Hi everyone, I'm about to hit 10,000 subscribers and I'm just so grateful. Thank you everyone who's supported me, everyone who's subscribed, everyone who's joined my membership scheme, everyone who sent me super thanks, bought me coffees, has commented, who's watched my videos, especially those who watch them all the way through. This is just amazing, and I'm doing this because I'm enjoying it. I've always been one of these people who gets off more on other people learning things and succeeding than in succeeding myself. That's why I was a learning and development specialist for a huge chunk of my career before I was lucky enough to retire so early. So really this has kind of become an extension of that, I suppose. So thank you all for your support and for helping me to be able to just do really what I enjoy doing in a nicely prolonged retirement, hopefully. Let's hope. Now, cunning plan for my 10,000 subscriber kind of celebration. Now, let me tell you about it now. There is a giveaway involved, and I'm going to be doing some research to do with crafting that I've not really seen anybody else do. It may be out there, but I personally haven't found it, so I'm going to do a little bit of research as well that you might find useful. Anyway, I'll tell you all about it. Let me stop waffling and I'll tell you properly in a moment. Thank you for the mug, the lovely subscriber who sent it to me. That made me laugh. So this little video is to explain what the 10,000 subscriber thank you will be, and to show you a lovely new product from Just For You online. Let me explain further. So I thought you'd like to join me while I feed my fish during this bit. Now, what's happening is Just For You online have sent me a lovely kit, and I really have to show you that kit. Have you seen their clocks and geode kits? The MDF ones? Absolutely amazing. So I'll show you that. I've had a few things on my mind recently, and one is, are online craft courses any good? Don't know. Are they worth it? There's so many videos out there that do you need to buy an online course? What's the point? So that's been on my mind too. I've been doing a lot of thinking lately. People have said to me, Tracy, you're a former learning and development specialist. You ought to write a course. And I thought, yeah, but there's all these YouTube videos out there. So this is my plan for this 10,000 subscriber celebration thing for me that I'm going to do. I'll buy a course. I will watch it. I'll make notes. I'll go through the little course on making this geode and clock kits that Just For You online are doing. And they've really kindly sent me one of the kits to do both, which is fantastic. So I'll do an unboxing with you shortly, show you what's in the kit. Now, my theory was I'll go through the course, I'll make some notes, and I will follow the whole thing through and see if I find that actually is helpful over and above watching a series of people like mine, tutorials. Is it different, or is it just more of the same, and why did I bother buying a course? Does that make sense? Because it is a question I've been asked. I asked the question on my channel a few months ago, I think now. Have any of you ever bought an online course, and what did you think? And it turned out not many had, and the ones that had said yeah they were good. It was a bit of a mixed bag really. So I thought, well, let's investigate that. So all this waffle is about, I'm going to do that. I'm going to go through a course. I'm going to make the things. I will give you some feedback on what I thought of the course, and obviously I'll show you the making of the things, and then I will tell you all about the giveaway and how it's going to work and how you can win these kits. Because the kit, and thank you so much Just For You Online UK, the ladies Nicola and Laura at Just For You Online are giving us a full set of, I think, pretty much everything what I'm about to show you in this unboxing. So when I do this video covering the course and the making of the things, I will tell you how you can go about winning one of these sets. How does that sound? Of course, there's some other big thank yous I do need to get out there, so please indulge me while I do so. There's been some suppliers of our lovely craft materials who've been very, very kind to me. Now, I am quite selective, as you may know, as to who I choose to work with, and so I've been very, very grateful for all of the offers that I've had of help and support and free materials and all that sort of thing. As crafters, we all know how expensive materials are, and without that and the little bit of commissions that I can earn, I honestly couldn't afford to actually make these videos because, well, you can imagine the volume of materials involved. So thank you so much to the suppliers that have approached me. So of course there are some suppliers that have approached me, and I've been very grateful for that, but I've had to say that I don't think it's quite a fit with what I do on my channel or whatever, but I'm still very grateful for their approach, and of course things may change in the future. However, I just wanted to give a special shout out to the suppliers who I have been particularly excited to work with. Now, there's some that have offered me some lovely discounts for you all, and obviously I've become an affiliate of. So a quick shout out to those, and they are Nick Pro, Istoyo, the Washi Tape Shop, Resiners and HTV Ront. So thank you for supporting me in that way, all of you. I hope I haven't missed anyone off that list. I've gone through them all and I think I've got everybody. Special, very special thanks to the suppliers who I've kind of worked a bit more closely with and been able to build quite a relationship with, and I've particularly appreciated the support from these, and they are Into Resin, Let's Resin and Boo and Nicole. Lately I've had some absolutely wonderful supplies come from them, and they talked to me by email, and we built a kind of a proper good working relationship, which is amazing. I didn't know that's how it worked, but for me that's worked particularly well. Finally, I have to give a huge thank you to Just For You Online UK. Nicola and Laura at Just For You Online UK were the very first ones to jump on board and offer me support when my channel was absolutely tiny. Not that it's very big now, of course, but it was tiny. I don't think I'd even got 1,000 subscribers. And they have always been so hugely supportive, communicative. Obviously the products are great. All of these suppliers, their products are great. I wouldn't be setting up an affiliate arrangement with them if they weren't, and if I didn't truly believe in them and use them anyway and buy them anyway, But yeah, Just For You Online have supported me pretty much since day one, and I've so enjoyed that partnership with them, because that's truly what it feels like. So thank you so much to them and to all of the other suppliers, particularly those of you who I mentioned that I've been so kind of over and above just setting up the affiliate deal, the ones who've really I felt like it's a good working relationship with. That means an awful lot. So thank you, all of you. And thank you also for supporting all the other people within our crafting community, the other YouTubers, and for doing all these lovely discounts and promotional deals and things like that for our subscribers that we can share with them, because that's what it's all about. So, as promised, here's the kit that they've sent me. Now, obviously I've taken it out of the box, but I don't know what's in all these. Yeah. First of all, shall we have a look at our clock? Because I think that's going to be the noisiest bit of packaging. So let's get the noisy bit out of the way. Gosh, well, this is nice, isn't it? Well, obviously, there's the clock mechanism. It's got the hands and everything. I'm not going to unwrap that because knowing me, I'll lose the bits. But that is your little clock mechanism. So that's nice and easy. We'll look at that when we come to actually make this. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Roman numerals. It's obviously been laser cut. Obviously, first thing to do is make sure you get it up the right way, which they've packaged it up the right way, which is handy. So, yeah, that's really good. There's the 12X11, that's right. Nice. And you've got your wooden base, and thankfully they've already cut the hole in the centre. You see they've engraved their little logo into it too. Nice. So that apparently you resin it all, do your designs, and then this goes on top, put your clock mechanism through, done. But I'm sure there's more to it than that, because last time I tried to make a clock, I ended up with it being a bit too thick and I couldn't get the clock mechanism to go through, and I made a right mess. So I'll be interested to see just how this goes. And I haven't really resined onto MDF very much, so that's interesting. Right, let's have a look at this. That'd be a nice clock for my craft room, wouldn't it? So what's this? All very neatly and carefully packaged as always. Oh, I see. That's a little geode. I would say righty-ho. And I'm sure that centre will pop out, and that's why that bit of tape's there. So we've got a geode. Nice touch in engraving your logo onto the back as well. I like that. Okay, so I'm guessing these are all GOP. Gosh, that's a good size, isn't it? It's interesting they're giving you the bit in the middle as well. I suppose that's because they could just pop that out. But they must be thinking, I wonder if these crafters, being crafters, we like to look at the leftover bits and think, oh, I could do this with that. So I'm sure it's kind of useful for it. Yes, I've only tried to make geodes in actual moulds before. So this is going to be a whole interesting different exercise, isn't it? And this is why I thought this was the one to test that course on, because it'll be a technique that's slightly different for me. Another nice one, there we are. So this looks like there's 4 in this set. So I think this is what they're going to be sending you as the giveaway. Now we're going to have one of these kits, so when I release the video, when I release the video covering all this, you know, have yourself a pad and pen at the ready so you know you can make a note of what to do to enter. I can't tell you at this point because, one, I haven't hit my 10,000 subscribers just yet. Oh, what's that for? I really like it, but I don't know what I'm supposed to do with it. Interesting. I'll think of something. That's nice. Yes, so one I haven't... I keep waffling and getting distracted by the loveliness. So, yeah, one, I haven't hit the 10,000 subscribers just yet. It will be another couple of weeks. But 2, I'm still thinking about how to do it and what's going to be the best way for you to enter. I want to make it a little bit fun, something a little bit different to the norm, maybe. So, anyway, yes. What do you think of that then, folks? I think that looks awesome. This is what the giveaway will be. A set of the coaster blanks, the clock blanks, and the mechanism. Fantastic. So that's the plan. I'll see you soon for part 2, where I will actually get on and do all of this. And I'll be releasing that as and when I do hit that 10,000 subscriber mark. So I'm making this video now on the 24th of June. I shall release it within a couple of days. 2024 for anyone watching later. So I'm thinking that video, probably at the rate it's going, will be probably about another couple of weeks or so away yet. So early July. So watch this space. Thank you for indulging me. And I hope when I get to release that video, having done my research and made the makes and all that sort of thing, you'll find it useful. Take care, everyone, and thanks again.